Looking for the best electric tillers and cultivators to make your garden thrive? In this video, we're diving into a selection of top contenders, ranking them from weakest to the best. Stay tuned to find the one that best suits your needs. Let's start with the IncwBo CU02-10530D. Ranked 5th on our list, this tiller might not have the most powerful motor, but it's still a solid option for medium-sized gardens. It's designed to tackle tougher soil conditions, which makes it a good choice for those who need extra power without stepping into heavy-duty equipment territory. What sets the IncwBo apart is its 10.5 amp motor, which provides enough power for breaking up the soil without overcomplicating things. With a 12-inch tilling width and an 8-inch tilling depth, it's perfect for smaller to mid-sized gardens. While it doesn't have the widest or deepest reach compared to the others on this list, it still gets the job done efficiently. However, this tiller's limitations come in when you're dealing with hard or rocky soil. It isn't as robust as some of the larger models, and that could make tasks like tackling clay-heavy earth a bit more difficult. So if you're facing tougher garden conditions, you might want to look at something a bit more heavy-duty. Still, for those with relatively soft or well-maintained soil, the IncwBo CU02-10530D is a great budget-friendly option. If you're not dealing with hardcore landscaping but just need something to keep your garden in check, this could be the tool for you. For more product details and the best price, check the link in the description below. Next up, we have the BUCOTOD OT7A500. Jesus Christ! Next up, we've got the BUCOTOD OT7A404. This tiller takes a step up with its 13.5 amp motor, offering plenty of power for larger areas and tougher soil. With an 18-inch tilling width, it can cover more ground faster, making it an ideal choice for bigger gardens or vegetable patches. What's really great about the BUCOTOD is its versatility. The 13.5 amp motor ensures solid performance, and the adjustable 4 to 8-inch tilling depth allows for some flexibility depending on your gardening needs. The wide tilling width also means you won't be spending as much time making multiple passes over the same area. It's a definite time saver for those who need to cover a lot of ground. However, there are a couple of downsides. First off, the BUCOTOD requires a bit of maintenance. It's prone to clogging with thick soils or roots, so you may need to clean it more often than some other models. Also, like most tillers, it struggles with extremely rocky or compacted soil. So if you have a garden full of stubborn earth, this might not be the best option. Still, for gardeners with large, moderately tough soil areas, the BUCOTOD OT7A504 is a solid choice. Just make sure to maintain it properly for the best performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. In third place, we have the BILT TOA0452. With its 13.5 amp motor and 16-inch tilling width, this tiller is a great option for those who want something with a bit more power without going overboard. The 8.7-inch tilling depth is also impressive, and it works well for light to medium gardening tasks. One of the standout features of the BILT is its rust-resistant steel tines, which provide great durability. Whether you're dealing with loamy soil or a patch of stubborn grass, the tines will help break up the earth efficiently. Plus, the powerful motor gives you plenty of torque, ensuring that it can dig deep into the ground without struggling. That said, this tiller may not be the best fit for larger gardens or extremely heavy tasks. It's perfect for maintaining your garden, but it may fall short if you need to tackle larger scale projects or tougher soils consistently. Also, it's a bit lighter than some of the other models on this list, which is great for maneuverability, but might make it feel less substantial during intense tasks. If you're looking for a reliable tiller that's both powerful and easy to handle for medium garden needs, the BILT TOA0452 is a solid pick. Ready to take your garden to the next level? Let's move on to our next product. The Joe TJ604E comes in second on our list, and for good reason. It's equipped with a 13.5 amp motor and offers a tilling width of up to 16 inches and a depth of up to 8 inches. What stands out here is a 370 RPM speed, which ensures efficient tilling even in compacted soil. This tiller really shines when it comes to performance. The 13.5 amp motor is perfect for digging through soil with minimal effort. Plus, it comes with adjustable depth control, giving you the flexibility to match the tilling depth to your garden's needs. It's also built to last with durable materials and comes with 4 steel blades, making it a reliable choice for smaller to medium-sized gardens. On the downside, the SunJoe is corded, meaning you'll have to deal with limited mobility depending on your garden size. Additionally, there's no variable speed option, so it lacks some fine control over the tilling process. But for most homeowners, this is more of a minor inconvenience. Still, if you're looking for a high-performance tiller that's versatile and durable, the SunJoe TJ604E is a great pick. Before we move on to the best pick, don't forget to check out the links to the best prices for these products in the description below. Finally, we have the LawnMaster TE1318W1, our top pick. With its 13.5 amp motor and 18-inch tilling width, this is the ideal tool for anyone with a large garden. The wide tilling width ensures that you can cover more ground in less time, and its 8-inch tilling depth gives you enough versatility to handle a variety of soil types. What really sets the LawnMaster apart is its heavy-duty performance. With a wide 18-inch tilling width, it's perfect for those who need to tackle bigger gardens or larger plots of land. Plus, the build quality is top-notch, making it durable enough to handle soil, roots, and everything in between. It's got a powerful motor that'll make even challenging gardening tasks feel like a breeze. However, the LawnMaster is a bit on the heavier side. If you're someone with a smaller garden or a limited space, you might find it a bit too large to maneuver easily. But for those with extensive gardening needs, the extra weight is just a trade-off for the robust performance and large coverage area. For anyone looking to invest in a high-quality tiller that can easily handle larger gardening tasks, the LawnMaster TE1318W1 is a clear winner. It's got everything you need to keep your garden in top shape, with plenty of power, a wide tilling width, and a solid build. If you need the best of the best, this is it. And that's a wrap. Whether you have a small patch of land or a large garden, there's a tiller here for every need. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get the best deals on these top products. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews like this. Thanks for watching.